Hello guys, welcome to CMS Prep. Are you guys preparing for UPSC CMS 2025? So, one of the main doubts of all the aspirant is what are the best book which are available for the preparation of UPSC CMS. So for that we need to cover some criterias. So the criterias are that the book should cover all the previous year questions, it should have accurate answers, and it should provide proper explanation. So for this our team has covered each and every book available in the Amazon and we have derived to some conclusions. So for this I need you guys to order from Amazon and our team has done all the research for you. So let me recommend you the first book. The first book is the most famous Prasad Comprehensive Guide to Combined Medical Services. See, this is the best seller in the category of UPSC CMS. It is a trusted book. You can go to Amazon and see all the reviews, and it covers all the questions from 2008 to 2023, and the answers provided are accurate and detailed explanation is given for understanding each and every concept of the book. Now the bonus point is that sir and ma'am both have qualified UPSC CMS and are currently serving in Delhi. The price of the book is rupees 1500 and it is updated every year. So this is 11th edition. It covers questions up to 2023 as you can see here. So if you want the latest edition, you can wait a few months or you can order this book from the Amazon. Now let's move on to the next recommendation. Now for UPSC CMS is this book. This is an awesome book which I used for my preparation. It is Target CMS 2024 by none other than Dr. Varun Agrawal sir. Sir is a legendary teacher. He provides free classes on his YouTube channel for UPSC CMS aspirants, so you guys can check it out. And this year sir launched this book. So this book contains 240 key topics related to medicine, surgery, obs-gynae, PD and PSM. It is covering the last 15 years. All the important MCQs are discussed. The main feature is concise and crisp explanation. This is the most wonderful point about this book. So all the repeated questions which are asked in UPSC CMS, sir has discussed the theory relevant to it, and the notes are provided are very much crisp and concise and are very much easier to revise. This book is only available in online form, and if you go currently to Amazon you will not find this, so you can wait for the new edition. And the bonus point is that sir has also qualified UPSC CMS, so you are getting mentorship from a person who has already cracked the exam which you are hoping for. Now let's move on to our next recommendation. The next recommendation is about what you do not have to buy. Yes, this is important because one wrong decision you can lose your money. So no hate, but you don't need to buy this book or this one, MS Bhatia or by Dr. Afsar Khan, because it is not updated. This book came out on January 2022 and has not been updated since then. And this book also came out in 2022 and has not been updated since then. So guys, you do not need to buy this book. If you want you can. I am nobody to stop you, but just keep in mind about that. Now let's conclude our video. You can buy the book from Amazon, and we will try to upload more such videos. Just subscribe to our channel, follow and comment. You can also join our Telegram group which is in the description, and follow us on our Instagram. Thank you. Stay connected.